Headed for an early flight, or just landed in Manila and need a quick, comfortable stay? Let me show you what it's really like staying at Holiday Inn Express Manila, Newport City. From check-in, to room tour, to breakfast, and that amazing airplane view right from our window. All in one short stay. Clean, convenient, and just steps away from your flight. This is Holiday Inn Express Manila, Newport City. Your stopover made simple. We start our journey with a quick security check before entering the lobby. The hotel feels bright and welcoming. Perfect for travelers who want convenience without sacrificing comfort. As soon as we entered, two staff members greeted us with a smile. And that's always a good sign. My mom and my mother-in-law couldn't help but say,
Ang ganda ng hotel! Siyempre happy.
and even my brother was all smiles while waiting at the lobby. It's these little moments that set the tone for a relaxing stay. Check-in was smooth and efficient. The front desk was polite and helpful. Exactly what tired travelers need after a long day. Time to head up to our rooms. You can already feel that anticipation, that excitement to see what's waiting behind the door. Access is secure and easy. Just tap your key card. Welcome to your temporary home. And here it is, our room at Holiday Inn Express. Simple, modern, and fully equipped. Everything you'd expect from a trusted international hotel brand. You'll find all the essentials here. A comfortable bed, flat screen TV, mini refrigerator, safe box, a kettle with complimentary coffee and tea, and of course, alarm clock. The bathroom is spotless and fully equipped with toiletries. There's even a small sofa for visitors or just to relax after a long flight. And one feature I personally appreciate, this working desk. It's perfect for guests who work remotely like me, since I do online jobs even while traveling. For those booking a queen room, you'll also get an extra sofa bed, ideal for small families or groups. The standard queen room offers a city highway view, but the queen room has something special. From each window, you can see airplanes parked right at NAIA Terminal 3. That's how close this hotel is. It's one of the best reasons to stay here. No stress, no traffic, and you can literally watch planes come and go. Each guest also gets a breakfast voucher, which you can claim the next morning. A thoughtful perk included in your stay. Breakfast is served buffet style. You'll just present your voucher at the entrance, then enjoy a mix of local and international favorites. And for coffee lovers, they've got a self-service coffee machine. The atmosphere is bright, relaxed, and perfect for jump-starting your day before a flight. For checking out, it's worth mentioning that the hotel also has a gym. Another nice touch if you want to stay active during your trip. Just like that, It's checkout time. The staff handled everything quickly and courteously, exactly the kind of service that leaves a lasting impression.